Having a chat widget on your website helps you engage with your website visitors in real time. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install an all-in-one live chat button on your WordPress website. With this all-in-one chat button, people can message you across different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and so on. So without wasting time, let's dive straight into the video. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard, and currently I am in my WordPress dashboard. But before we proceed, I would like to show you how this website looks without the chat button. So I need to come here and visit my website, and then when I come here, you can see the website I'm using. So currently this website doesn't have a chat widget. A chat widget is normally at the bottom right, so it's supposed to be somewhere here, but you can see this website doesn't have a chat widget currently. So to add a chat button to my website, I need to come here to my dashboard, and I'll come to plugins and I'll click on plugins, and when it opens up, I'll choose add plugin, and now I need to search the plugin I want to install. So the name of the plugin I want to install is 𝗙𝗵𝗁. Alright, so just go ahead and type 𝗙𝗵𝗁, and you would see the first one here, floating chat widget contact chat icons by 𝗙𝗵𝗁𝗶. So you can see, and you can see the star ratings here and the number of active installations currently. So I'll just come here and click on install now, and when the plugin is done installing, I'll click on activate. So now I have installed and activated the 𝗙𝗵𝗁 plugin, and you can see there is a prompt here for me to go to 𝗙𝗵𝗁 and begin configuring this plugin. But if I scroll down to the left panel, you can see we have 𝗙𝗵𝗁 here. In case this prompt doesn't show up, you can just scroll down, and this left panel, you would see the 𝗙𝗵𝗁 option here. But for now, I'll just go ahead and click on go to 𝗙𝗵𝗁, and first thing, I need to create a widget. Alright, so I'll click on create widget, and when I click on create widget, it now asks me to choose my channels. So there are different channels here. We have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have phone number, email, so you can add as many as you want. Alright, so I'm going to name my widget as maybe James Widget. So I'm just going to name it James Widget, and for this tutorial I'll use WhatsApp, I'll use Messenger, phone, I'll use email. You see, when I add anyone, it just brings me down to add the link to the specific channel. And then let me not go crazy, I'll just go with this 4 for now. And for the phone number, I can just come and add a random phone number here. So for the phone number, I will go with a phone number. Let me just do this. Let me just choose any phone number here. Alright, so I choose that phone number. For the WhatsApp, first you need to choose your country code, the extension. So I'm in Nigeria, I'll just scroll here and I'll choose Nigeria, and this number I will just add a phone number here. And after doing that, if you want the chat widget to just prompt when someone opens your website, it should automatically prompt, then you can come here and enable it. Alright, so I'll just come here and I will enable it. You can see the preview is here. This is the preview here, and when I scroll down here, you can see how can I help you. You can customize this to your taste. So open chat widget on page load. Okay, this is where you open the chat widget on page load. Here you can only enable the WhatsApp chat widget, so I've enabled it, and if you want to open it on page load, you can choose this option, so that when someone opens your website, the chat just prompt the person. So the headline is let's chat on WhatsApp. Look at the background color. The name, you can add it. If you want to add a profile picture, you can click on upload image, and let me just go to upload files, select files, and I can just add my picture here. So I'll choose my picture and I'll click on add, and then I click on select, and you can see now I have a profile image that is active here. so you can do this customization and do what you want. Then I'll come down to the messenger. So all you need to do here is to copy your messenger link and just paste it here, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just put the hash sign here. Then for the email, if you have an email, you can just put in something. So I can put info@mesuullogic.com for my email, and then I think that is all. Alright, so I have these 4 channels. I have added my email, I have added my messenger link, I have added my WhatsApp number, and I also added my phone number. So that is all for this place. And the next thing, you want to go to the widget customization. Alright, so I'll click on widget customization, and here it just allows you to customize your widget the way you want. You can see the simple view, the widget icon. You can choose how you want the icon to look, or you can upload your own icon. The position, if you want it to be by the left or you want it to be by the right, you can choose it in this place. So I prefer to go with right. Then the default state, click to open. You can see the color is purple, the widget size is medium, the call to action is contact us. You can see the preview here. Then we also have this section where you can choose the call to action behavior. There are different options here. We have the pending messages. You can see all that, so you can customize that to your taste. Then I'll come to the triggers. Leave this thing the way it is. You see we have a trigger active here, so you just need to leave this one the way it is. Then if you want to add the live chat option, you can also proceed to add the live chat if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm comfortable with just adding the chat widget, not the live chat. This is the widget. So I'll now come here and click on save widget. So you see, congratulations, your first widget is now up and running on your website. And all I need to do now is to go back to my dashboard or to close this. And when I now come to my website and I refresh my website, you can see we now have a chat widget on the bottom right of my website, and you can see there is a prompt here already with my profile picture. So all you need to do is just for the visitors of your website to put in the message they want, and it will redirect them to your WhatsApp. All right, and to see the other options, I will just close this from here, and you can see the other widgets. So we have a phone number channel here, we have a WhatsApp, we have Messenger, and we have the email. All right, so this is how you can add a chat button on your website with different channels. All right, so if you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new on my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so you stay updated with future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.